One faithful night in the wind and the rain, we set sail from Kellybeck town. There were 5 of us from sweet Donegal and 1 from County Down. We were fishermen who work at the sea and never counted the cost. But I never thought when that night was done that all my friends would all be lost. So here to those that are dead and gone, the friends that I love dear. And here's to you, then I'll bid you adieu. Saint Donegal Danny's been here, me boys. Donegal Danny's been here. Then the storm it broke and rolled the boat on the rocks about 10 miles from shore. As we fought the tide, we hope inside to see our homes once more. Then we struck a rock and hauled the bow, and all of us knew the ship got down. So we dived right into the icy sea and prayed to God we wouldn't drown. So here's to those that are dead and gone, the friends that I love dear. And here's to you, then I'll bid you adieu. Saint Donegal Danny's been here, me boys. Donegal Danny's been here. But the raging sea was rising still as we set out for the land. As she fought with all her cruelty to claim that gallant band. Like St. John's Pine in the early dawn, I dragged myself on the shore. And I cursed the sea for what she'd done, and I vowed to sell her nevermore. So here's to those that are dead and gone, the friends that I love dear. And here's to you, and I'll bid you adieu. Saint Donegal Danny's been here, me boys. Donegal Danny's been here. Dear. And here's to you, then I'll bid you adieu. Saint Donegal Danny's been here, me boys. Donegal Danny's been here. Ever since that night I've been on the road, traveling and trying to forget that awful night I lost all my friends, and I see their faces yet. And often at night when the sea sigh and the rain is tearing at my skin, can hear the cries of drowning men.